Hello everyone. Today we'll show you how to smoothly migrate your reviews from Shopify Product Reviews app to Ali Reviews completely free. Let's get started. Kick things off by installing Ali Reviews. Search for Ali Reviews in the Shopify App Store and click Install to begin the setup. Before moving your existing reviews from Shopify Product Reviews to Ali Reviews, we need to export them as a CSV file. Open the Shopify Product Reviews app from your Shopify admin. On the home page, you'll see an Export button. Click Export and the CSV file will be saved to your device. Now import your reviews to Ali Reviews. Open the Ali Reviews app in your Shopify admin. Look for the Import Reviews tab on the sidebar and click it. Then select the Import CSV file option on the top right. On this page, you'll find different sources to migrate your reviews to Ali Reviews. Choose Shopify Product Reviews app as your review source. Upload the CSV file you downloaded earlier. Then, review and accept our terms of service. Click Migrate now, and you're all set. All your reviews are now in Ali Reviews. Click Manage Reviews to effortlessly organize and handle them all. Preserve valuable reviews and scale your sales with Ali Reviews. Start free now.